Everyone, Amtrak and CSX Griffin here, and I think we got my friend Amtrak 63, close to like 1239. But I don't know if it's my friend though, because it sounded like a different voice on the radio for that train, so I guess it might be a different guy. So my friend's schedule probably changed, maybe. Or maybe it could be still my friend. We'll see. He's probably going a little bit slow here because he said they switched on from track 1 to track 2 almost, but that there's a stackle way down over there on the middle line. But here comes 63. But it seems like he's alright. He's probably on the first track, track 1. Yup. Here he goes. And then, yup, it still sounded like my friend. So we're good. And he's gonna, here he goes with 109. He's gonna meet that stackle down over there. And right now, yup, that's him still trying to warn that stackle that he's gonna. Yup. Yup, that's him still trying to warn the stackle to see if he might catch up. If the stackle's moving and turning it into a race excitement. And he's trying to warn that freight crew that he might catch up to win the race if they're racing.